Hey everybody. Well, I was headed up to Tehachapi to be a docent today. This is my weekend to do that. I do that once a month now. But anyway, I was headed up the back road to Tehachapi to do that and noticed this BNSF coming down with some of the war bonnet units on the front. I don't remember what designation they are, but I'm sure that lots of you do, so you can drop that in the comments below. I just know that people really think they're cool. I think it's a great paint job. So let's turn this thing around. I'm here at Woodford by the water tanks, and as you saw, I'm on the Harley. Once I rode down in here, it's like, gosh, I hope I can get this thing out of here. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, huh? All right, well, let's flip this thing around and catch us a train. All right, here he comes. Looks like he's on the main. Yes, sir. These are the Keene water tanks. This is the water supply for the community of Keene, which is about a half mile, 3/4 of a mile that way. Southern and a couple of regular units. Interesting consist. That's cool. Smell the brakes. Like one of the loaded grain trains or some sort of bulk car. This isn't a very good spot. Sorry about that. It was a last minute thing, and I'm kind of limited by being on the Harley as to where I can take this thing. This thing isn't loaded. I'm not sure. It doesn't sound loaded. It sounds bouncy. Well, definitely not a unit train, so maybe it is empty. no helpers, so, all right. Well, no, it wasn't that exciting. I just thought the lead consist was cool. Thought I'd catch it for you. Hope you liked it. Keep shooting me ideas. Drop in the comments below. Shoot me an email at motopoet59@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe. Click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. I'll see you all later.